AI isn't just for writing. It can also create lectures, design dashboards, and learn to work like an expert for you. Here are the 3 AI secrets that 99% of the people don't know. First, AI can teach you anything. Imagine you want to learn Python. Instead of reading long paragraphs in ChatGPT, you can use tools like Perplexity and Notebook.LM to build a video course. Go to perplexity.ai and enter a prompt something similar to this. Within seconds, Perplexity gives you a clean list of websites, tutorials, and PDFs. Copy the list. Now head to notebooklm.google.com. Create a new notebook and select Copied Text. Paste all the links you just got from Perplexity and click on Insert. Notebook.LM will instantly start learning from those sources. Once the content is processed, in the Studio tab, you'll find the Video Overview option. In that, click on Edit Prompt. While the prompt is optional, you can enter something similar to this. And click on Generate. Notebook.LM will now generate a lecture with slides and voiceover. This video course is a much better way to learn than reading text from ChatGPT. Second, use AI to build reports and dashboards. If you're a financial analyst researching stock trends, you'll love this technique. In perplexity.ai, enter a prompt similar to this. Click the globe icon below the text box and turn on the Finance tab. Perplexity will pull real SEC data and generate a detailed analysis. Copy the entire result. Now, open Google Gemini. In Gemini's prompt box, select Tools, and then click on Canvas. Next, paste the previously copied data. Once Gemini finishes processing this data, click on Create. You can create a website or an infographic. Let's go with infographic. Gemini will now generate a professional-looking infographic that visualizes the data beautifully. You can use this technique not just for stocks, but also for producing marketing reports, business plans, or research summaries. Third, AI that trains itself to be an expert. Instead of simply asking ChatGPT to act as an expert, you can actually train it with real research to become an expert on any topic. First, select Deep Research option in ChatGPT. Then, use this prompt as a reference and let ChatGPT do deep research on any topic you want. ChatGPT will spend several minutes researching and generate pages worth of insightful information. Copy all that content. Now, open Google Docs and paste the entire content. Then download the document as PDF. In ChatGPT, create a new project and give it a meaningful name. Click on Add Files and upload the PDF. Now, this workspace acts as permanently trained professional on the topic of your choice. Every time you start a new chat inside this project, ChatGPT uses all the latest research about that topic. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more AI tips.